UAE's mega projects can't wait for slow training. One mistake costs millions. From Dubai's expanding airports to Abu Dhabi's massive ports, operators must be confident from day one. But how do you train for high-stakes scenarios without risking lives, equipment, or project timelines? The answer is advanced simulation training. Tecknotrove's construction simulators replicate real UAE conditions, scorching temperatures, abrasive sand, coastal environments, and local traffic patterns. Operators practice dangerous scenarios in complete safety: emergency responses, precision digging around utilities, fine grading for airport runways, all without shutting down live sites or tying up expensive equipment. Our simulators cover excavators, motor graders, dump trucks, dozers, and drill rigs, each tailored for UAE's unique challenges. Multilingual interfaces support crews from across the Emirates, while AI-assisted coaching and cloud reporting ensure consistent skills development. With over 400 simulators deployed globally and 2 decades of experience, Tecknotrove helps UAE contractors build skilled teams faster, safer, and more cost-effectively. Because when mega projects can't wait, your training solutions shouldn't either.